Okay, so now I think it's time we should actually implement the response. So let's see how we can do this. First of all, we need to open up a route in our router. So I'm going to duplicate this line, hitting Command D, and since we're sending the request to the /register path, I'm going to copy it and paste it in here. Okay, and the handler is going to be app register user. Okay, so now we need to set up this file. So inside of app, and we need the comma here. Sorry, I forgot about that. And actually, I'm going to leave a comma here because I always like duplicate lines so that the commas are always, you know, done, and I don't forget to put them in the future. Okay, so now we need to create this file. So I'll right click on app, new Python file, register, and in here, as usual, we need to import our request handler, our custom request handler. So from framework.requestHandler, import yum search request handler. And now we can define the class, which is class register user, and extend it off of our yum search request handler and say def post, because if we recall, we are sending a post request. Okay, good. So now we need to pick up all of the values that we're sending. So this is exactly in the same way as if we were sending it in the form. So let's say name is equal to self request get name. And the same is going to be for email. And the same is going to be for password. Okay, so now let's see if we are actually receiving these items. So let's say print name, email, and password. And let's see if in our console we can see these items. So let's go back and type in something. Well, actually, let's type something we know that is, for example, this will be email, this will be name, this will be password. I just typed in PASS. Okay, so we send the request, and let's go back to our terminal in our console. And in fact, we see printing each of these items. So this is working correctly. So we can go ahead and actually do some logic now and see how we implement the user registration. We will need to create a model, obviously, and store the data there. So that's what we'll do in the next lecture.